Imagine our planet as a gigantic bell. Every now and then, deep within its metallic heart, it gives off a deep, drawn-out sound. And while we can't hear this rumble with our ears, scientists have developed methods to decode this inner roar. By studying these deep tremors, they've discovered that our planet isn't just hollow, but rather has a liquid core almost as big as the moon. And get this, it's made of iron. But why does the core rumble? Is it lonely? Does it need some company down there? Not quite. The truth is much more fascinating. You see, the core isn't just sitting around doing nothing. It's actually a very busy place with several cool things going on. First off, let's talk about convection. This is when warmer stuff rises and cooler stuff sinks. Kind of like what happens when you put a chocolate chip cookie in the oven. But instead of cookies, we're dealing with layers of our planet here. The heat from the core makes the liquid metal rise near the surface, while the cooler, denser liquid metal sinks toward the center. This constant churning motion creates those deep tremors we heard earlier. Now, these tremors aren't exactly a walk in the park. They're super powerful, reaching up to 200,000 times the strength of a magnitude 6 earthquake. That's enough to shake things up pretty good. And when I say shake things up, I mean literally shake things up. These tremors can mix things up so well that they even turn some elements to their liquid form. For example, they turn some oxygen atoms into their liquid form. Now, that might not sound like a big deal, but it's actually a big deal because these liquid atoms play a crucial role in generating Earth's magnetic field. Without them, we wouldn't have this protective shield that keeps harmful radiation from reaching us. So thanks, liquid oxygen. But wait, there's more. These tremors also have a surprising connection to something we all love, pineapples. Okay, maybe not all of us love pineapples, but stay with me here. You see, inside the pineapple, there's this tough, woody thing called a core. And this core isn't just for show. It's actually super important. It gives the pineapple its shape and protects the juicy goodness inside. Well, turns out our planet has a similar situation. The tremors help keep the Earth's core in its place, preventing it from falling apart or collapsing. Without them, our planet might just be a big pile of goo. But the coolest part about all of this is that these tremors were a game-changer for scientists trying to figure out what's inside the Earth. Before we had X-ray vision or, shovels that could dig through solid rock, scientists had to get creative. And I mean really creative. One popular theory was that the Earth had a giant crystal ball at its center. Yes, seriously. Another theory suggested there was a massive diamond bigger than Everest right in the middle of the planet. Now, don't get me wrong, these theories were imaginative, but they weren't exactly accurate. The breakthrough came when scientists started listening to these deep tremors. By analyzing the way seismic waves, that's the fancy name for tremors, moved through the Earth, they realized that the inner core wasn't a solid ball after all, but rather a liquid one. It was like solving a mystery where all the clues pointed to one answer, but you just had to think outside the box to see it. In this case, it was the Earth itself, giving out clues through its own language, its deep tremors. Now you might be wondering, how do scientists listen to these rumblings if they can't exactly tune in with their ears? Well, they use a network of devices called seismometers. These devices are like tiny microphones that can detect even the tiniest vibrations in the ground. By placing these seismometers at various locations around the globe, scientists can build a map of what's happening beneath our feet. It's kind of like having your very own worldwide listening party. Except instead of chatting about the latest gossip, you're discussing the health of your planet. These seismometers have been instrumental in helping us understand not just our planet's core, but also its crust. For example, they've helped identify areas where the crust is weak and thin, which is important because that's where most of the world's volcanoes and earthquakes happen. It's like having a bunch of friends over for a party and noticing that some parts of the floor are creaking more than others. You wouldn't want to ignore those creaks, just like scientists don't ignore seismic signals from different parts of the Earth. But here's the thing, sometimes these tremors can throw us a curveball. When they hit an area that's already unstable, they can trigger events that we don't want, like earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. It's like playing music, and the volume gets turned up so high that the speakers start to blow. In these cases, Scientists work hard to monitor the situation closely and issue warnings so that people can take cover when necessary. It's a delicate balance between understanding our planet and respecting its power. But here's the thing, as technology improves, we're getting even better at listening to the Earth's rumblings. We've developed new instruments that are more sensitive and can detect even the faintest tremors. We're also using artificial intelligence to help us sift through the huge amount of data we collect. With each new discovery, we're deepening our understanding of our planet and its inner workings. And here's the kicker. It's not just about understanding the Earth, it's about appreciating the Earth. By tuning in to its sounds, we're forming a connection to the planet we call home. It's like sitting around a campfire and listening to an old friend tell stories of days gone by. Except in this case, the campfire is inside the Earth, and the stories are written in seismic waves. Each tremor is like a chapter in the Earth's history book, telling us about the planet's past, its present, and giving us clues about its future. As we continue to explore our planet's rumblings, we're bound to uncover even more secrets. Who knows what other mysteries the Earth is hiding? Maybe there's a secret underground ecosystem, or maybe there are ancient messages left by long extinct creatures. Well, maybe not that last one, but you never know. The point is, the Earth has been rumbling for billions of years, and it has so many stories left to tell. All we have to do is listen. It's like when you're at a party, and someone starts telling a story, and you can't help but lean in closer to hear more. You're drawn in by the tale, eager to know what happens next. That's the same way we're drawn to the Earth's rumblings. We're curious about what's happening beneath our feet, what secrets lie hidden in the depths of our planet. And the more we learn, the more questions we have, the more we realize how much there is to discover. It's a never-ending journey of exploration, and we're just at the beginning. Who knows what other wonders and mysteries await us as we delve deeper into the Earth's rumblings? As Carl Sagan once said, we are a way of the universe understanding itself. In a way, we're like cosmic detectives, using the clues all around us to solve the mystery of existence. And the Earth's rumblings are one of those clues. They're like pieces of a giant puzzle, and each new discovery helps us fit another piece into place. As we continue to explore our planet's rumblings, we're sure to uncover even more secrets. So keep listening, keep exploring, and keep asking questions. Who knows what other wonders and mysteries await us? It's all out there waiting to be discovered. It's like that feeling you get when you finish a challenging puzzle. When you look at the completed picture, you can't help but feel a sense of satisfaction. You've uncovered something beautiful, something intricate, and it's all because you took the time to put in the effort. In the same way, our exploration of the Earth's rumblings is a testament to human curiosity, our drive to understand the world around us. It's a reminder that there's always more to discover, more to explore, and more to appreciate about the planet we call home. As we continue to listen to the Earth's rumblings, we're not just gathering data, we're forming a connection to our planet. We're becoming more attuned to its rhythms, its heartbeat. And in doing so, we're discovering a deeper meaning, a profound appreciation for the world we inhabit. So let the Earth rumble, let the seismic waves echo, for they carry with them the stories of our planet, tales of creation, of change, and of resilience. And as long as we have the ears to hear it, we'll continue to listen, to learn, and to be amazed by the wonders that lie beneath our feet. But if you want to go further, if you want to dive deeper into the mysteries of our planet, there's something I want to share with you. It's a place where you can continue to explore the Earth's rumblings, where you can listen to the heartbeat of our planet, where you can uncover more secrets and explore more wonders. All you have to do is follow this path, this trail of cosmic curiosity. Follow it, and you'll find more wonders waiting to be discovered, more mysteries waiting to be solved. And who knows, you might just find yourself one step closer to understanding the very essence of our planet. Will you take that journey with me?